Here we go! TV and radio. Severe thunderstorm warning.
Some 100 yards further out to sea, proving that volcanoes not only destroy, they also create. But in this part of Plymouth, it's the destruction that's most evident. Surviving structures bear the scars of the volcano's combined attack of lahar, pyroclastic flow, ash,
and here we go! Before my battery's going all the way to die, because I'm going to switch to my great camera to iPhone 5C.
Western Montgomery County in southwestern Iowa, Mills County in southwestern Iowa, eastern Potawatomi County in southwestern Iowa, northwestern Page County in southwestern Iowa, south central Shelby County in southwestern Iowa, southern Sarpy County, northwestern Iowa County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Saunders County, Cass County in southeastern Nebraska, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:34 p.m. The implication is you don't get from 2 miles northeast of Henderson, 2 miles southwest of Henderson to 5 miles south of Glenwood to Murdoch, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Malvern, Leaking Water, Tabor, Murray.
Oh no, breathe tornadoes again. Blow all the time.
Southeastern Saunders County, Cass County in southeastern Nebraska until 11:15 p.m. At 10:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 2 miles northeast of
Here we go! It's on Mom and Dad's TV with The Daily Show. Severe thunderstorm warning. There's Duchess.
The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Fremont County in southwestern Iowa, western Montgomery County in southwestern Iowa, Mills County in southwestern Iowa, eastern Potawatomi County in southwestern Iowa, northwestern Page County in southwestern Iowa, south central Shelby County in southwestern Iowa, southern Sarpy County, northwestern Otoe County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Saunders County, Cass County in southeastern Nebraska, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:34 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 2 miles northeast of Hancock to 2 miles southwest of Henderson to 5 miles south of Glenwood to Murdoch, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact expects damage to roofs. Severe thunderstorms will be near Malvern, Leaking Water, Tabor, Murray, Emerson, Weehawken, Henderson, Randolph, Hastings, and Beaver Lake around 10:40 p.m. Attica and Union around 10:45 p.m. Red Oak and Elliott around 10:50 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Essex. This includes the following highways: Interstate 29 between mile markers 15 and 39. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 37 and 43. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 415 and 430. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties in Iowa: Fremont.
Oh no! Breathe tornadoes again. There cannot read. Pulse cannot read it. Epic fails. Mr. Failures.
Credibility of the program.
Science is clinically proven
to strengthen our teeth, I would recommend this toothpaste to everybody. It's really an amazing product.
There's something that happened in the parking lot.
Alright, we're going to end the video here, and we're going to do a live stream.
Okay. But hurry up.
We're going to end it.
Okay, that's it. Bye.
We'll see you.
Bye. And the next one, bye.